Welcome to Sir M. Vishweshwarya Institute of Management Studies, Wadala, Mumbai. So today our institute is hosting the convocation ceremony for the batch 21-23. So on this occasion, we have few of our alumni who will share their life journey. So sir, can you introduce yourself?
Yes, my name is Guru Narayan Ashish Kumar Pandey. I took here admission in the and from batch 21-23. I have done my MMS in marketing. Currently, I am working at Haldiram's Food International Private Limited.
Okay, so what is your best memory in the swims that you had?
The best memory is the seminar sessions that we used to have with the outsiders, industry experts. So we get to interact with them. Those were the memories, and I remembered that 1 year ago we also hosted the convocation ceremony for our senior batch. So a lot of memories have been it's just a nostalgia that I'm right now living here.
Okay, sir. So as our freshers are joining, so what advice will you give them?
Right now, the only one advice is that the first year is a general year for all of you.
Yes.
Okay, so it's very common. So just understand every field. Like if you're getting knowledge about HR, just understand what is it, marketing. So understand the market. When it comes to finance, understand the financial markets or read the newspaper so that you can get updated. The most important part is the summer internship part where you train for yourself for 2 months, and in those 2 months you get to know whether you have that insider that you want to do something in finance or marketing or HR. So these 2 months are very crucial. After that you decide your stream and just go on with the flow.
So now to end with, what are the skills that you have learned here and you have implemented that in your corporate life?
The first thing was the discipline. Okay, when earlier we never used to read newspapers, even our parents were telling that to read newspapers. But when it comes to placement and when it comes to competition, then we started learning the newspaper. So discipline came from there, and getting updated in the market. The competition is right now very high, and everyone is looking out for a job for a big package, or whether it is a small package or big package. They're looking. Just be updated with yourself. These are the skills that I have learned from this job.
Thank you.
Thank you.